Hello friends and welcome! Today I'm sharing with you a wonderful recipe for gluten-free hot dog buns. These hot dog buns are beautifully soft, light, and absolutely delicious. They're perfect not only for hot dogs, but also for sandwiches, and they stay soft for a long time. The preparation is very simple, so let's start step by step. First, I add 300 milliliters of warm water into a bowl. Then I add 30 milliliters of olive oil. I gently mix everything together. Very important if you use powdered psyllium. Add only 1 teaspoon. I use psyllium flakes and add 2 teaspoons. Now I add 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk. I mix it well and then wait a little, so the psyllium husk can absorb the liquid and swell slightly. This step is very important for gluten-free baking. Next, I add 7 grams of dry yeast. You can also add a little less if you prefer. I gently mix it in. How are you today? Please write to me in the comments and let me know which country you're watching from. I really love reading your messages. Then I add a pinch of sugar, or you can use a little honey instead. This helps activate the yeast. Now I add 300 grams of gluten-free flour. And finally, I add 1 teaspoon of salt. I mix everything together until I get a smooth and even dough. You can mix by hand, or you can use a hand mixer. There is no difference. Thank you for every like, comment, and subscription. Your support helps me continue sharing natural, homemade, additive-free recipes from my kitchen. The dough is nice and smooth. All the ingredients are mixed well. The dough should look like in the video. Once the dough is ready, I start shaping the buns. For shaping, I need a little water so the dough doesn't stick and stays smooth. Using a kitchen scale, I measure the dough. Each piece weighs about 110 to 115 grams, so all the buns are approximately the same size. I shape the buns with wet hands, just like you see in the video. It's very easy and simple. Shape them with water and your hands. It's not difficult, it's very easy. Then I cover the buns and let them rest for at least 1 hour until they double in size. After resting, I place them into the oven. I bake them in a cold oven, not preheated, for 45 minutes. Once they are baked, they are absolutely amazing. Very soft, fluffy, and full of flavor. These gluten-free hot dog buns are perfect for hot dogs, but also wonderful for sandwiches, and they taste great even the next day. A gluten-free hot dog can be just as delicious and comforting as the classic one, with a soft, fluffy gluten-free bun and a juicy filling. It's a meal everyone can enjoy, even if you avoid gluten. It's perfect for family meals, cozy evenings, or quick lunches. Without feeling heavy or complicated, gluten-free hot dogs prove that simple food, made with care and good ingredients, can still bring so much joy and comfort. Because everyone deserves to enjoy their favorite foods, no matter their dietary needs. Subscribe for more simple and delicious homemade recipes with no additives. See you in the next video.